Hi there friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a new Android phone for the first time. As you can see an Android device here on the screen, it's Samsung A12. So I'll show you full setup for this device. Almost all mobile phone companies Android setup is similar. That's why watch this video till the end, because if you watch this video till the end you can set up any types of Android phone. So let's start the video. First of all, you will see a welcome page like this. Just click on here start. Then you will see a page like this, few legal items to review. Here below just select I have read and agree to all of the above. After that click on next. Then you will see a network page. Skip this option. This is not mandatory to connect Wi-Fi. Now you can choose any of this. I just click on don't copy. After that you will see a page like this. Here choose your GMT, date and time. After that click on next. Then you will see a page of Google services like this. Just scroll down, then tap on accept. After that you will see a page for set up your security, but you can skip this option. You can set up it later. If you want to set up lock screen instantly, then select your lock screen types. I'm gonna select pattern. Now draw your pattern here. Click on continue. After that again draw it for confirm, then continue. These all apps are Samsung system apps. If you don't want any of this, just deselect, then click on next. Then you will see a page for create Samsung account. You can skip this. I'm gonna skip it. Again tap on skip. Now your work is done. Just click on finish. So friend, I hope this video gonna very helpful for you. If you want more these types of video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.